woke up, breathing that Zoe heartbeat drum. Let the rhythm begin. I'm not waiting for the finish line to feel proud. I'll celebrate the step, I say it out loud. I eat a mango, flex with Denise, play pretend like I'm 5 and free. Lift it, kick it, sweat and smile. Take a cold plunge, laugh the while. Protein smoothie in my hand, strike a power pose, feel grand. Text from Sean or hug from Kim, we cheer each other. We go all in. Every step, dance it out, take a breath, clap for more, fist bump Pete, do a spin, pat your back, feel the beat, take a bow, let the joy ignite, stand tall like a legend in full daylight, from a class launch to a fearless sleep, celebrate now, go bold, go deep. Oh, 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 oh. Hit that chord, play the blues, shake it off. You've got nothing to lose. Correct stance, smiling eyes, play a mode. I energize, pray with heart, hug with grace. Gratitude shines across my face. Julian laughs, Alex dreams. Beth and Mike stay on the team. Adam lifts and Bobby's thrive. Rich and Chester high five live. Joe and Ben bring heart and grit. Frederick shines, she's lit. Each and every step, Jamie smiles, Joe and reps, breathe it in, swing your hips, celebrate with superhero flips. Claudia grins, Mary sings, Jaden and Yiska spread their wings, Christina cheers, Adeline beams, Tiffy barks like it's all a dream. Hasna's here and Steve's on fire, dancing wild with sacred desire. Laugh with Jim, talk with Mark, clap for the light you spark in the dark. Celebrate the tool you dare to teach, the note you wrote, the soul you reached, the help you gave, the path you chose, the strength you show when the moment rose. Joyful yes, give it up for the ones you love. Christina, Steve, sent from above. Take a bow, pat your back, laugh out loud. Stay on track, this ain't someday, this is it. You're the fire, now commit. Celebrate each and every step, that's the way we rise and rep. You're the light, the song, the breath. So celebrate now with nothing left. Celebrate.